toss my salad like a game man. I don't care how you fuck me, just fuck me when you can. You can fuck me on my tippy toes. You can jump me like a rooster man. Fuck me with a dildo. Anything to fill my house. You can jump on and ride my head. Fuck me hard, baby. Fuck me fast. I don't care how you fuck me, just fuck me right damn now. There are issues and baggage between us. Always some kind of bullshit to get over. If I had my way, surely you would shut the fuck up and mama, I need you to fuck me. Girl, you better kiss somebody right now. I want to see kissing going on. I want to see your lips on my lips. I want to see you holding hands right now, because you feel close. Girl, oh Lord, I need a tissue or something. Lord, oh my God. What? There are issues and baggage between us. Oh, it's some kind of bullshit to get over. If I had my way, surely you should have. I need you to fuck me. You can fuck me deep inside. You are necrophiliac, and I just died. You can nose dive into my moon, but you better do it soon. You can fuck me in Pakistan, blow my hoochie up like the Taliban. I don't care how you fuck me, just fuck me when you can. I don't care. I don't care. I need you to fuck me. I need you right here, right now, inside of me. Fuck me. Fuck me. I don't care how you fuck me, just fuck me in my hair, fuck me in my armpit, fuck me in my belly, all y'all. Fuck me.